What's up guys, Dave here. We're doing a control board replacement on our Whirlpool Duet clothes dryer. And ironically enough, about a month ago we had to do the same repair on the washer. We have two, a matching set of these. Let me show you a quick photo of them. And just wanted to give you some info and some general tips. Now, getting to the control board is not that big a deal. You just remove the top lid of the dryer. You got three little screws in the back right on the top of it. That lid pops off pretty easily. Then there's a little plastic shield on the left side upper part that exposes the control board. This is the one that came out of ours, and you'll notice, and if you've seen other videos, the solder is completely burned off of one of these relays. This relay right here. Now that doesn't necessarily mean the relay is destroyed. It's possible, but it doesn't always mean that, because some people replace the solder right in here. They have to clean this area off, use some flux and some solder, and just because it's completely burned out. So there's a chance you can actually repair this just by resoldering this area right here. But a tip I wanted to tell you, if you're about to purchase the control board, make sure you remove yours first and actually look at it, get the part number off of it. Right here, here's a part number for this particular one. W10110641. But the issue is, if you just search for Whirlpool Duet dryer, there's a chance that there's another control board that might show up for yours, which is this one, and it does not fit. Some of it's similar or the same, but overall it does not fit the little tray that the control board fits in. So that's my main tip for you, is make sure you remove yours and get the part number before ordering the other one. You might want to just replace the relay itself. You can get those online. I'll put a link down below where you can get them on Amazon. But I've noticed that most electronics on appliances and things start failing around the 10-year mark, and these are about 10 years old. So it's kind of just what happens with a lot of electronic devices. And but doing the job is not that difficult as far as replacing this board. There are plenty of other videos online about how to do that. Anyway, check out other videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff on our channel relating to repairing stuff around the house, or cars and dirt bikes and ATVs, and fixing things and technology, and working on your cell phone or eBay or Facebook, all kinds of stuff. So check out our channel, and if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen and shoot us a donation. Same thing with any monetized YouTube channel. If their video helps you, make sure you click the thanks button and shoot them a donation. See our social media links in the description of this video. You'll have a great day.